Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Christmas edition. Today I'm going to tell you about my favorite products which I have been using during the 2024 year. So first three products will be by Bobbi Brown brand, and first one is Instant Full Cover Concealer in beige color. This concealer perfectly disguises all imperfection and it grips into your skin like a concrete. I usually use it to hide some redness on my chin. Next product is highlighter, Shimmer Brick in beige color. Unfortunately, beige is discontinued, but they still have three different colors. Every color you can use it separately as an eyeshadow, and also you can just swirl together and apply as a highlighter. Next product by Bobbi Brown is Brow Kit in medium 02 color. So far it's my favorite brow eyeshadow. It's very pigmented and you can use every color separately or you just can mix them together. Today actually I applied this color on my brows so you can see it. I think it's very nice on me. And next product is by The Balm, Take Home the Bronze in Olive color. I think it's a great bronzer for beginners. I was using it as contour. So it's not orange and it's perfect, just perfect for beginners. I'm almost finished it, so maybe I will buy it next year. I will see, but still I can recommend it to you. And next product is by Chanel. It's powder brush in color 190 Angélique. It's a nice peachy color, but on the camera for some reason it's rosy, but still it gives a nice fresh look to your face. I applied today on my cheeks, you can see it. So still I will use it in next year. And next product is mascara by Lancome Hypnôse in color 02. It's a brown color mascara. It gives perfect lash separation, it gives volume and length to your lashes, and it won't fall down in the under eye area, and it won't give you this tarantula eye look. And yeah, and actually the brown color of this mascara reminds me the same color as it was in Yves Saint Laurent Vinyl Couture mascara, because it has some kind of sparkles in the texture. So if you remember this mascara, this one could be similar for you. And my very favorite mini lipstick by Tom Ford, it's color 1W Johnny. It's very nice rosy color. It's ideal for every day and for special occasion. It's satin lipstick without any sparkles. So as usually I'm very happy with quality of all Tom Ford lipsticks. And the last product in my list it's lip pencils. One of them is by Givenchy in color 01 Rose Mutin, and next two pencils it's by Pupa Milana in very popular shades I will remove this one, 002 and 004. All these three pencils won't dry out your lips. They are great quality. You can use them all over your lips or you can use them as a lip base. Especially I like to use this color 004 with my lipstick Tom Ford. It gives my signature lip look. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you and your family, and see you next time. Bye bye.